Opting in will allow you to see privately matched ads and be rewarded for your attention in BAT tokens. With Brave Ads, your browsing activity never leaves your device. Local machine learning provides all the necessary information needed to serve personalized, highly relevant ads. Here, there are counters to keep track of estimated earnings for the current month and for the total number of ad notifications received. These counters will increase for each ad shown. The payment date, also displayed here, is the date on which your rewards can be claimed via the button that will appear. You'll receive your rewards in the form of Basic Attention Token, or BAT. BAT is a new way to value attention among users, content creators, and advertisers. Beneath the main toggle is a button to access ad settings. Here, you can select the maximum number of ads displayed per hour, with 1 being the least and 5 being the most within a 60-minute session. We'll be introducing even more customization options in the future. Now, you can browse as you normally do, and ads will appear as your browser finds relevant offers to display. For macOS users, ads will look like this. For PC users, ads will appear looking like this. Start contributing to a braver web today.